Let's look at divide and conquer strategy, which is used in many areas of computer science to solve complex problems. What it mainly concerns is taking a big problem and breaking it down into two smaller subproblems, and then if the smaller subproblems are easier to solve, then solving them individually and then finding a method to combine them to make a valid solution for the larger problem. That is, a divide and conquer strategy can be broken down into three steps. First is divide the big problem into smaller problems and then solve the smaller subproblems. And then once we have solved two small problems, we need to learn or have an algorithm which would be applicable in combining them to make a valid solution for the bigger problem. There are many interesting problems which use divide and conquer strategy to solve. One of them is merge sort, which we will learn about in this experiment. There's another algorithm called Karatsuba algorithm, which is used to multiply two large numbers, which would rather take a lot of time, but because of this algorithm, we can shorten it to a great extent. Another important application is the solution or finding discrete fast Fourier transform of polynomials or other functions.